friends, welcome to today's video. So today's question is, 3 balls are marked 1, 2, 3 and placed in a bag. One of them is withdrawn and replaced. It is repeated 3 times. What is the probability of obtaining a total of 6 in these 3 operations? So what is the question? There are 3 balls. They are marked 1, 2 and 3. One ball is marked 1, second ball is marked 2 and third ball is marked 3. And one of the ball is withdrawn and then it is replaced. This operation is done 3 times. So what will be the probability of obtaining a total of 6 in these 3 operations? We are taking the sum of the 3 balls taken in 3 draws and we are just counting it. It should be 6. So how many ways of doing this? So first chance, 1, 2, 3. 3 ways it can come. Either the ball marked 1 can come, or the ball marked 2 can come, or the ball marked 3 can come. So in the first chance there are 3 ways of doing. And second chance again, so first chance 3 ways, and second chance again there are 3 ways of doing. Either the ball 1 can come, or ball 2 can come, or ball 3 can come. And third chance also again there are 3 ways of doing. So total number of ways will be equal to 3 into 3 into 3, which gives us 27. So 27 is the total number of ways of doing. So now we can see what is our probability. So what we want the sum is equal to 6. So how many ways of obtaining sum is equal to 6? Let's see what are the different ways. So we can fix one ball and then we can change the second and the third ball. Then you won't miss out any of the options. So first, let the first ball be equal to 1. So what are the different ways of obtaining 6? 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. So 1, 2, 3, that is one way. And second way can be 1, 3 and 2. So we are fixing 1 and we are interchanging this 2 and 3. So this is the second way. So that is over. Next we can fix 2. First ball is equal to 2. So our second ball should be 1 and third ball should be 3. So that is the third way. Then fourth way will be, we are fixing again 2 and 3 and 1 are interchanging. This is the fourth way. Now again we are putting first ball is equal to 3. So first ball is fixed at 3 and second ball will be 1 and third ball will be 2. So that is the fifth way. And sixth way will be 3, 2 and 1. We are interchanging 2 and 1. We are fixing 3. So this is the sixth way. And seventh way will be all 2's. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. So only these many options are there. Okay. So how many options are there? We cannot get sum 6. So 1, 2, 3, 2. Again no other number can come. Only 3 numbers 1, 2 and 3 are there. So there are 7 ways of obtaining a sum of 6. So what is our probability? So required probability will be number of events favorable divided by number of total events. So here the number of events favorable is equal to 7 and total events is equal to 27. So our probability is 7 by 27. So relatively easy question. We have to just summarize the number of ways in which we can obtain a sum is equal to 6. So we have written all the chances of obtaining a sum is equal to 6 and total number of chances we know it is equal to 3 into 3 into 3. 3 ways of taking ball 1, 3 ways for obtaining ball 2 and 3 ways for taking ball 3. So it will be 3 into 3 into 3, which gives us 27. Second question, a pair of dice are rolled together till a sum of either 5 or 7 is obtained. Find the probability that 5 comes before 7. A pair of dice, we are rolling out 2 dice together and we are taking the sum of the faces of the dice. We are looking for a sum of either 5 or 7. We have to find the probability that 5 comes before 7. It's a relatively easy question. Here the total sample space will be only those chances where sum is either 5 or 7. So that is a key point here. The sample space itself, we need not consider all the different ways of obtaining sums when 2 dice are rolled. We are taking the sample space consisting of sums of only 5 and 7. Then we have to find out the favorable events of obtaining a sum of 5. So that will be our probability. what is the probability we require? What is the probability that 5 comes before 7? So what are the number of events which are favorable for obtaining a sum of 5? So it will be the number of favorable events, and the total number of events will be the sample space consisting of only sums of 5 and 7. Okay, let's see how it goes. Our sample space will be consisting of only sums of 5 and 7. Obtaining a sum of 5. Okay, so 1 and 4. Okay, then again 4 and 1, just interchanging. Then again for obtaining 5, 2 and 3, 3 and 2. Any more? Is there any other chance of obtaining 5? No, only 4 ways we can obtain 5 when 2 dices are rolled. Now obtaining 7. So 1 and 6, 6 and 1. Then 2 and 5, 5 and 2. Then 3 and 4, 4 and 3. Are there any more ways of obtaining 7? No. Only 6 ways of obtaining 7 when 2 dices are rolled together. So what will be our sample space? How many events are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So our sample space is consisting of 10 events. Now what are the favorable events for obtaining a sum is equal to 5? It will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what will be a required probability? A required probability will be equal to 4 divided by 10, which gives us 2 divided by 5. So here the key point is our sample space we are considering only the sums of 5 and 7. So it will be having 5 events. And how many events are favorable for obtaining 5? So 5 should come before 7. So what is the probability of obtaining all these 4 events? Will be a required probability. So it will be 4 divided by 10, which gives us 2 by 5. Thank you for watching.